Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how I create this wispy, textured looking volume lashes for my client. I also included a detailed lash map in this video, which I'll show you later on, so keep watching for the full tutorial. I already cleansed her lashes, so now I'm applying the eye pads and tape over the bottom lashes. I like using eye pads because they're easy to adjust whenever you need to and it doesn't tug on the natural lashes. Then I use thin pieces of tape to secure any bottom lashes in place. I also like to use 2 thin pieces of tapes over the eyelids to gently stretch the eyelids and to spread out the lash line for easier isolation. My client is here for her 4-week fill, so we need to remove all those grown out lashes. I use the banana peel method where you split the extensions apart from the natural lash in a peeling motion. You can already see there's some extensions that look thicker. Those would be the subtle spikes used to create the textured look for her lashes. I'll explain more about those later. Alright, so here is the lash map. The numbers in black is the base lash map for the volume bands. I used 8mm in the inner corner of the eye, then gradually increasing to 9, 10, and 11mm is the largest section at the middle of her eye for a more open eye look, and then tapering back down to 10 and 9mm. The numbers in white are for the spikes, where I used 0.05 diameter of 3 to 4 extensions. The spikes are essentially closed fans that are spaced out evenly across the lash line to give the lashes a more textured look, but still maintaining the fluffiness from the volume fans. When it comes to fills, I like to work on the area with the biggest gap or the areas that are most sparse. So here I'm working on the intersection of her eye where my client shed the most. For the next little bit, I'll be focusing on adding volume fans to fill up the gaps. And here is the first spike. You can tell right away that it's a closed fan that's slightly longer than the other fans that I've been attaching. The closed fan definitely adds more darkness to the lash line. I place the spikes about every 2 to 3 lashes across the lash line. I pretty much just eyeball it as I go, and the goal is to make sure that both eyes are evenly distributed. Sometimes during the middle of an appointment, the bottom lashes may slip out. For the ones that slip out from the middle section of the eye, I just cut a small piece of tape and place it over the bottom lash line. I use my fingers to gently lift the eyelid, which helps to lift the upper lash line away so that I can see the bottom lash line more clearly. I like working back and forth from eye to eye because it lets the extensions that I just attached from one eye to dry and cure while I hop over and work on the other eye. This also helps avoid stickies where lashes get stuck together because you're moving the lashes around before the freshly attached extensions can completely dry and cure. Here you can clearly see that I attach a 4D volume fan, and then next to it I attach a closed 3D spike. You can see that the spikes are evenly spread out about every 2 to 3 lashes. If you watch my videos, you know that I love using this taping method to stretch out the eyelid from left to right. Not only is it super helpful for spreading out the lash line, but I love that it keeps my clients' eyes closed, and it also helps stop eyes from fluttering or moving if you have clients that are more jittery. At the end of the appointment, I have my fan turned on, blowing at the lashes for about 3 to 5 minutes while I start removing all the tapes and the eye pads. I always give the lashes a good brush through to see if any lashes come off, then I peel off the tapes that are on the eyelids first. Next, I lift the upper lash line to check that no lashes are stuck to the bottom lashes. If all is good, then I peel off the eye pads. I also peel the tape that are on the face mask, which I use to secure the face mask down to prevent the warm airflow from coming towards the lashes, which can affect the way the glue functions and make it hard to cure. I then finish off by wiping the eye area with some water using a disposable applicator brush. My clients actually really like this because it feels refreshing, especially when the eye pads and tape have been on their face throughout the 1 to 2 hour long appointment. Here is an open eye version of the lash map. This is my customized version of a very subtle, wispy texture looking volume set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lash videos.